my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole. And before we get into today's video, how are we liking my new intro? I used to have another intro which was a little bit more minimalistic, very simple, and I thought it was time for a change. So let me know in the comments how we're feeling about it. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 very simple and easy half up, half down styles. Y'all, I don't know about you, but I feel like a half up, half down style is one of my favorite hairstyles. There's so many different ways to remix a half up, half down look. And truthfully, I feel like it's one of the superior hairstyles. It's going to snatch the face to give it a facelift. It's also going to have some hair showing so that you have some length. So I'm going to be in a half up, half down. All right. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I was in a half up, half down for my wedding, truthfully. So if you're interested in today's video, let's get started. This first hairstyle is going to be for anybody that really likes the middle part type of look. As you can see, I've already parted my hair into a middle part, so make sure that you go ahead and do that. Y'all, this took me 4 different tries to get a middle part. I'm praying that this is straight. But anyways, we're gonna take a little bit of some water and I'm just gonna spray that on my hair. The biggest thing when it comes to a lot of sleek styles for me is that I like my hair to get damp, but I don't like it to be completely drenched. I find that it makes my curls kind of move a lot more and it makes it harder for me to slick it back. So I like to do like a good 50% of it wet, but I don't like it for it to be saturated. Now for a good sleek style, I love the Pattern Beauty Edge Control. This is the one that I usually use, but maybe we're out of her. Okay, she's gone. So I'm going in with the Lock In Sleek Edge Gel. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a really good edge gel. I don't really notice any flaking with this. It has argan oil, avocado oil, camellia oil. So if you get the chance, definitely try out this gel because I actually really like it. Now since we have both of these sections already parted down the middle, I'm gonna grab some of this edge gel and we're just going to apply this to the front of the hair. And with a hard bristle brush, I need to clean mine desperately. We're just gonna start brushing that gel into the hair. Now with each side, we're basically going to be brushing this into a ponytail. So each side is going to be tied up into a ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me an elastic. And then we're left with these 2 ponytails. Now low key, if you wanted to, you could let the back of your hair down. And this could be one style, but this isn't where I was going with the style, even though it turned out really cute regardless. Split each ponytail into 2. Guys, my arms are already hurting from this. I'm gonna grab an elastic, like a small one, and we're gonna split these 2 sections into 2. And then I'm going to tie them together, and then we're going to pull down on it, and we are going to tuck it underneath itself. So this is going to be going behind you and then in front of you, and then we're going to tie this again. Now from there, I'm going to just take out the back. Okay, and then this is the final look. It's so easy. I love the middle part look. And then it still kind of gives you the volume because it is like ponytails, but it's not as like obvious that these are ponytails in your head. It kind of just looks like one big ponytail right here, but it gives you more volume. This is actually one of my favorite ways to kind of spruce up a half up, half down look. So this is hairstyle number 1. Let's get into hairstyle number 2. This next look is going to be for everybody that loves a good side part, okay? And I know what you may be thinking, girl, really a side part? She got us wearing a side part, but trust me, this look is going to be so cute. You're going to love it. My trick is if this is our middle part right here, we don't want our side part all the way over here. We want it to be slightly off center of our middle part. Now, make sure that you do the side part on the side that you like. Me, I feel like I'm more photogenic on this side of my face, so I'm like, should we do it this way? I think we're actually gonna do it the opposite way, guys. We're gonna spray some water on our hair because we do want this front section to be rather slick. And then again, going in with the Lock In Sleek Gel, we're going to place this on the front part of our hair. When it comes to gel, I don't like to place gel all throughout my hair. Like, I don't want to have to clean out all of that on my hair. So what I do is I kind of cheat it a little bit. I really just apply it in the front parts of my hair and then use the brush to kind of distribute it as needed. Now with this style, we are gonna have some hair in the back that we are gonna brush towards the back, but also maintaining this side swoop. Then from there, we're just going to twist up this ponytail in the back and then clip it up with a claw clip. I got this claw clip from Ulta Beauty. This is actually from the brand Kitsch. I love their hair accessories. They're always so cute. And it's like, this is like a perfect chunky brown color. And then this is the final look. Super easy and quick. Honestly, I just love how different this type of half up, half down looks, because even though I don't like a side part, I can do this kind of side part. This next hairstyle is going to be still a little bit more elevated, but this one is going to lean more towards a regular slick back, half up, half down, but with a little bit of flair. So what we're going to do is brush our hair back, but we are going to grab a curl out in the front, and then we're simply just going to slick back this ponytail. We're going to go in and refresh these curls. For all my hairstyles, I am using the Dude Chief Rocka, and this mousse is actually pretty nice. And then this is how the hairstyle is looking. We can refresh these curls in the front. This is the final look. Honestly, probably one of my favorite looks thus far. It's something so easy and cute and put together about this look. I absolutely love a little simple half up, half down with the curls in the front. And then for the last hairstyle of the day, we're just going to part our hair into two again, similar to how we did in the beginning. And then we're just going to spray some water on our hair and then brush the gel into this section. And then we are going to tie this section up. And then what we did to this side, we're just going to redo to this side. And then from there, we are going to twist this section up, create little buns with a smaller elastic. I'm then just going to place it over the bun and secure it, and then do the exact same thing to the other side. And this is how the hairstyle is looking. This one is just like super simple, super cute. I even like to just slightly do my edges with this one. Super easy, super quick. I think this is probably like the quickest style that I've showed you today. Hey babes, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments which style was your favorite. Was it style number 1, 2, 3, or 4? As always, if you liked today's video and want more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, share with a girlfriend, drop a comment, and I'll see you babes next week. Bye.